Hello. Just taking a seat here to chat for a second. A couple weeks ago, I mentioned that I will be on a quest to find new summer dresses because I like wearing summer dresses all year round, especially in my videos while I'm DIYing and stuff like that. So I have like a vision for myself that in the spring and in the summer, I'm gonna try and find summer dresses. It's very hard to find them at other times of the year. Now I have a few criteria in terms of what I look for in dresses, a certain type of fit I usually like, a certain length I will usually go for, although I do like some variety, you know, mini, midi, maxi, all of them. And then in terms of price, like I usually do like places that are a little bit more affordable. No surprise, I guess that should come to you guys. And this week, I thought I would kick off what is the beginning of my search for the year for some new summer dresses. I usually am pretty particular about what I buy, my friends would say. So sometimes I place an order and I don't like anything. Sometimes I like one thing, sometimes I like a couple things, but usually I'm not loving everything, but we'll see. So I placed an order that has arrived from Old Navy. Old Navy is one of my favorite shops for summer dresses, but it's pretty hit or miss. Like some years there will be a couple things I love, some years there won't be anything. Last year I got this dress. I really like it. I think it's cute and multifunctional. So I wanted to open that up, and I also got an order from Amazon. So there's a couple dresses there that I will be showing you as well. So I'm gonna head into the bedroom with the dresses, open them up, and then we'll see. Ready? Should be fun, should be fun. I love summer dresses, who doesn't? Okay, so I have my bags. I, to be honest, don't even remember what I ordered exactly. So it should be interesting. What is this gonna be? Honestly, this isn't even jogging a memory for me. And then in the other bag, okay. It's so funny. I have literally no recollection of what I ordered, but I probably ordered it a week ago. My memory's just bad. So I have some sort of like what looks like a mustardy orange floral printed dress. This is a printed dress as well, but I remember this one because it was longer. A yellow printed dress. Okay. Some color here, and then a green dress. Let's see how these go. And then of course that initial pink one. And then from Amazon, I'm looking at them because I already opened them. I have a couple dresses that are all more neutral. Which should I try on first? Maybe we'll do Old Navy first. Nope, let's do Amazon first. How about that? Let's do this. Okay, so this one actually might look familiar to you because I actually opened this one first when it arrived and I couldn't resist wearing it the day that I got it when I was filming. So this is one dress that I really actually do like. It's kind of like the cottagecore vibes. The puffy sleeves, the ruching here, the nice little frills, the length, which is like a midi length. I think this is really cute. Now, I remember when I was editing back the footage of this on, I didn't love the way that this looked on camera, but I like how it looks in real life. I think it's really feminine and just very cottagey, and I could see myself wearing this to dinner in the summer. I feel like that kind of thing would be really nice, but I'll probably also just wear it to film and stuff around the house. It's very flowy, it's very nice. I really like it. So yeah. I think this is really cute. It has a nice dot pattern, which is like a little textured dot pattern. And I remember it was relatively affordable, I think like $30 or something like that. Maybe even a better price if you're in the US. But yeah, I like this one a lot. I'm gonna rate this one 9 out of 10. I like this one. And now you can see it in a size larger in the color black. Okay, so I took a little sneak peek here, and excuse me, but this is gorgeous. So I got this one. It's the same dress actually, but in a size larger. They're pretty much the same except the sleeves are a little looser. I just put this on and it went off the shoulder, which I think is like a really stunning look, especially if you're like going out for dinner or something like that. I wasn't sure about the color because I don't have that many black dresses, but it's nice. Now I actually think I like it more off shoulder than on shoulder, but it does stay up really well on shoulder and it does look really cute. It's really that like cottagey look. It's the exact same design with the frill here. There's like a little bow going on here. And then the back has a frill as well, which I think is super cute. But you tell me, you like it more like this or like this? Because personally, this is like vacation vibes to me. That is the look that I'm getting with this. On the shoulders, I would rate this maybe a 7 out of 10, but I think off the shoulders, it becomes a 10 out of 10 for vacation vibes. It's like, you know, the dancing emoji? I feel like it gives me that, but black, you know? Italy, dinner, 9:30 p.m., warm summer vibes. Makes me think I should try the other one, also off the shoulder. Shall I? Well, what do you think? I actually really like it off the shoulder. Well, actually, this one gives me less vacation vibes off the shoulder. It gives me a little bit more maid vibes, but I think it's nice. Cute off the shoulder, cuter on the shoulders, and then I think the black one is cuter off the shoulders. I don't know why. It makes no sense. Okay, another dress, similar style. It's different though because it's shorter and there's like an underslip. The color's also different. This is almost like a very, very, very pale yellow. These tiny, tiny flowers, which are pretty cute. This is also probably the most stereotypical pretty, but that's not necessarily my style. This again, I believe you can wear off shoulder like so, but you can also wear on the shoulder, maybe? But I don't love this dress. What do you think? I don't know. I feel like I could give me a picnic basket and I could just be like, with my picnic basket. You get what I'm saying? It's just not 100% my style. I think off shoulder, I would rate it maybe a 7 out of 10 and on shoulder, 6, 5.5. I just don't love it. No. You tell me, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, now on to the Old Navy dresses. Maybe I should try on this pink one. One of the awesome things about Old Navy, the price tag is ripped off, but one of the awesome things in my opinion is that they always have discount codes, always, always, always. You can always get quite a good deal. Even if a dress is original price like $40 or $45, they'll have like 30% off, and then you can get a nice dress for like such an affordable price. Now, will this be a nice dress? Oh no, oh no. Also, I will mention, I believe this dress, actually I have no idea, there's no tag on this. I think I got this in a small. I think I got the first one in a small and the black one was in a medium. Actually, I like the medium fit the most, so bear with that in mind. I'm usually a small in Old Navy sizes and a medium in most other stores. So you remember how with the last one I said imagine me with a picnic basket? This is that, but 2.0. I don't think so. This dress is an okay length. Recently I've been wearing longer dresses, but like I think historically this was the length I really liked. I would like the fit if it just wasn't tight like right at the top up in here, to the point that the fit feels nice and snug, but like it just doesn't look flattering, if that makes sense. But now I'm looking at it and I can't envision a situation in which this would look flattering. The sleeves look really funny, you know? But I think if you were like very, very feminine and that's how you like to dress, then maybe that would work. Maybe if like the sleeves just weren't like this. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't think that this is it. I even tried off shoulder and that didn't fix it, did it? No. I think part of it is how high it goes as well. It's not meant to go any lower, but like maybe if it sat more like that, it would be more flattering, like a little lower, but instead it actually sits like this. If this is your style, then maybe I would rate it like a 9 out of 10, but this is not my style, so a 4 or less. And we have another one. This is also not doing it for me. The length is totally fine. Could have been a cute print, couldn't it have? In theory. I just feel like, I like the frill. This is it from the back. I just think that it looks really boxy. This comes like bigger up in here, which like really emphasizes this middle section in an unflattering way. It just isn't flattering, versus you want it to go more like this and out a little more at the bottom. And also it would be nicer if the fabric had a little bit more weight to it to like weigh it down. I've noticed that will often look a little bit more flattering, but part of it might just be the construction of the dress. But it was worth a shot. I think I felt like it looks really like in the middle section, especially because like it comes in tighter here. So it's almost like if it sat wider at the bottom, then maybe it would look right. I don't know, you tell me. But I'm gonna rate this one 4 out of 10. I mean, maybe it could be like a beach cover-up kind of thing. That's all I can think of. I did it again with this design. I ordered 2 dresses in this design. This just isn't it, and it's not it because of the print. The print is super cute and super pretty. If you look here, such a pretty dainty design. I really like this. I think that the #1 issue, now seeing it in this, is just the cut of the top. I just feel like it's just not good. I probably could have done a bigger size in this as well. I would have ordered this probably in a medium, but I just feel like it goes weirdly high in the back. Like it should come down to maybe here in the back. And then in the front, it needs to be like here, you know? And then I can't even make it look like that, but you feel me? It needs to be like much lower and then it would look nice. But off shoulder, I could see this. I could wear this. The pink one I could not wear. This one I could wear. If this was off shoulder, I'd be able to move my arm more, which I cannot. So off shoulder, I'm going to rate this just based on how it looks and the style that I like. Off shoulder, which is not how you're meant to wear it, I would actually rate this probably a 9 out of 10. But based on the fact that I like comfort and this would annoy me, the little restriction that I'd have here, I'm not going to keep this one. I would rate this on the shoulder, maybe a 5 out of 10. I'm praying that this is not the same design as one of the other ones that we tried on here. Oh my God. I think it is. I think it's the same. Why did I do this to myself? I told you I like to buy things in the same color. Did I at least get a different size? Vary something up here? I did. This was a small. Sometimes in these types of like, what do you call them? Sling dresses? The ones that just kind of hang down, swing dresses. Sometimes a bigger size is better because the material will weigh it down and make it look a little bit more flattering. Maybe that's what I was thinking here. But green could be nice. It's a nice neutral. Okay. So I like the fit of the medium actually from the front. This could work, couldn't it? It's nice, it's flowy, it's a nice textured fabric. It's cute enough, but the back does not go down low enough, Exhibit A, for my liking. And as such, from the side, it creates like a really weird shape. To me at least, it's very like, you know, not my favorite. What I would prefer is if this dropped down lower. And now you're really getting like the behind the scenes of how indecisive I am and how particular I am. And this is why like my best friend will always say like, she'll go into a store and find like 5 things and I'll go in and not find anything for like the next 3 stores. This would be why actually. But if I were to just show you how I would like it to fit, would be like the same spot in the front, but in the back, it kind of like could hang down in a cute way. See how that creates like a nicer angle and then a little less material. And this is why I need to make my own clothes. But yeah, like this, I mean, it's fine. If it's a hot summer and you need something to wear, I guess this would be fine. But from the side, I'm not digging it. What do you think? This is the last one to try on, you guys. To be honest, I don't know. I have not been having good luck at Old Navy. That's okay though. It's early on in the season and they will come out with more dresses and there's more stores for me to shop at. So let me know if you have recommendations. But in the meantime, let me put this on and we shall see how this looks. This is a maxi dress. Could be cute. This isn't it. This is like, just no. Just no. I'll tell you about the pros. The pros are, the pattern's pretty. I like that. It fits well, like in terms of like from here. Well, does that fit well? I feel like it could be a little more fitted and then kind of poof out a little more like that. It is flowy. I feel like it has that going for it. However, this upper portion, I don't know, it's actually giving me an in-between of what my grandmother might wear and like high fashion. Is that weird? I feel like that top area, a dead in-between. Oh, there's buttons. Okay, wait, maybe if this can go lower. No. It had potential, you know? Even if the V was a wider V maybe. Yes. I tucked in the edges. This is like a nice 5. This is like, oh, this is nice. Oh, okay, I like this now. What do you think? I could just, the fact that this is just staying like this, I probably could tack it to be in this V formation. Do you think like this I should keep it? For reference, this is what it should look like. Please vote below. You guys have a full view? Let me move you back. This is the full view of it. This is what I literally do in changing rooms and why my friends need to wait for me for a really long time. I feel like if this was like a deep, deep V, you know my white dress with like the black dots on it, how it has that really deep V? If this had that, I feel like it would be perfection. Actually, I think it's the similarity in the two designs that make me like this dress and makes me feel like it should be like tighter. Yeah, this isn't, I don't know. Please let me know your opinions here. Please also let me know if you have other stores you would recommend for buying summer dresses. I'm probably going to be continuing every once in a while doing little videos like this that just are hauls of the dresses that I've picked up and ordered. I live in a small town. There's not a lot of stores where I am. There's not a lot of selection, so I do typically order online. But yeah, I do want some dresses that are for like summer trips, and I also want some dresses that are just all year summer dresses that I can casually wear when it's snowing outside but in my warm home, because the sun shines in and makes it super warm. But very appreciative of your suggestions and your opinions. But either way, that is the end of this dress haul. It was actually a little bit successful because I did get 2 dresses that I like. Statistically speaking, that is high for me. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you next week. And that is all I have to say. I love you so much. Bye.